Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make perfect fudge. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. This includes sugar, butter, milk, and flavorings. Using a good quality, heavy-bottomed pan is crucial for even heating and to avoid burning. Also, line your baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal. This preparation makes the entire process much smoother. Now combine your sugar, butter, and milk in the saucepan. Stir these ingredients together over medium heat until the butter melts and the sugar dissolves. Once it reaches a rolling boil, continue stirring. Use a candy thermometer to monitor the temperature carefully. The goal is to reach exactly 234 degrees Fahrenheit for the perfect consistency.
If you're finding these fudge-making tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious content. Quick recommendation: for all your recipe reading or just relaxing with a good book, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere. You can find the link for it and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your fudge mixture hits 234 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. This next step is vital. Resist the urge to stir it as it cools. Let it sit undisturbed until it reaches 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, beat the mixture vigorously with a wooden spoon or electric mixer until it thickens, becomes opaque, and loses its shiny appearance. As soon as the fudge thickens and loses its gloss, pour it quickly into your prepared 8x8-inch pan. Work fast as it sets up rapidly. Use a spatula to spread it evenly across the pan. Now, the hardest part, patience. Let it cool completely at room temperature for several hours, or chill it in the refrigerator before cutting into delicious squares.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.